Let's walk on the wise path.
Welcome to a journey of self-mastery and fearless living. In today's video, we dive into the profound teachings of Epictetus, a renowned Stoic philosopher. Discover the 5 transformative ways he guides us to overcome our deepest fears and embrace a life of courage, resilience, and serenity. Prepare to unlock the secrets to conquering fear and embracing a life of freedom. Let's begin. 1. Make sense of fear. When you find yourself consumed by fear, remember that you have the power to shape your perception of the situation. Take a step back and objectively analyze the thoughts and beliefs that fuel your fear. Are they rooted in reality, or are they distorted by your own inner dialogues? Epictetus encourages us to delve deep into the core of our fears and dismantle them with logic and reason. Often, we realize that our fears are built upon hypothetical scenarios or exaggerated consequences that are unlikely to come to pass. By shining the light of rationality on our fears, we expose their flimsy foundations and begin to regain control over our emotions. Moreover, Epictetus reminds us that our fears are not absolute truths, but rather subjective interpretations of reality. The same situation can evoke vastly different responses in different individuals. By recognizing that fear is a product of our own perception, we can consciously choose to view the world through a more empowering lens. Making sense of fear is an empowering act because it liberates us from the shackles of irrationality and grants us the freedom to respond to challenges with clarity and composure. It allows us to separate ourselves from the grip of fear and see situations for what they truly are, devoid of exaggerated dangers and unfounded anxiety. So the next time fear creeps into your life, remember that it is your interpretation that gives it power. Take a moment to objectively examine your fears, challenge their validity, and choose a more empowering perspective. Embrace the notion that you have the power to shape your perception and response to the world around you. Through the wisdom of Epictetus, you can transcend the limitations of fear and cultivate a mindset of courage and resilience. By making sense of fear, you reclaim your inner strength and embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Trust in your ability to confront your fears head-on and watch as they dissolve in the face of your newfound clarity and wisdom. 2. Embrace life trials. In the face of life's trials, Epictetus implores us to adopt a mindset of embracing rather than resisting. It is natural to feel apprehensive when confronted with challenges, but Epictetus reminds us that it is through these very trials that we have the opportunity to grow and improve ourselves. When adversity strikes, it is crucial to remind ourselves that these experiences are not meant to break us, but to shape us into stronger individuals. By embracing the discomfort and uncertainty that accompanies life's trials, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Each obstacle becomes an invitation for personal growth and self-discovery. Epictetus encourages us to shift our perspective on these trials. Instead of perceiving them as insurmountable barriers, we should view them as stepping stones on our path to self-mastery. Each challenge we encounter becomes an opportunity to refine our character, strengthen our resolve, and forge a path towards greatness. By embracing life's trials, we demonstrate resilience in the face of adversity. We learn to navigate through difficult circumstances with grace and fortitude. The more we embrace these challenges, the more we develop the inner strength and wisdom necessary to overcome future obstacles. Embracing life's trials also enables us to cultivate a growth mindset. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks, we view them as valuable lessons and stepping stones towards personal evolution. Each trial becomes a chance to learn, adapt, and improve ourselves. With every hurdle we conquer, we become more confident in our abilities and resilient in the face of future challenges. As we wholeheartedly embrace life's trials, we transform ourselves into individuals who are unafraid to confront adversity head-on. We recognize that these trials are not obstacles meant to hinder our progress, but opportunities for self-discovery and personal transformation. With each trial we face and conquer, we become more resilient, courageous, and capable of achieving greatness. So let us heed the teachings of Epictetus and embrace life's trials with open arms. Let us view them as transformative experiences, essential for our growth and self-improvement. As we embrace these challenges, we embark on a journey of self-mastery, where our fears diminish and our courage flourishes. Embracing life's trials is the key to unlocking our true potential and living a life filled with resilience, purpose, and unwavering strength. 3. Believe in your ability to do wonders. Imagine a world where self-doubt and fear no longer hold you back. Epictetus beckons us to embrace our inherent power and believe in our ability to do wonders. It is a call to unleash the extraordinary within. Within each of us lies a wellspring of untapped potential waiting to be discovered. Epictetus reminds us that we possess the strength, intelligence, and resilience necessary to overcome any challenge that comes our way. It is a reminder that we are not limited by external circumstances or the judgments of others, but by our own self-imposed limitations. To conquer fear, we must first cultivate unwavering faith in ourselves. Believe that you have what it takes to triumph over adversity. Visualize yourself succeeding, envision the possibilities that lie ahead, and let go of the doubts that have held you captive. Our thoughts shape our reality, and by harnessing the power of positive thinking and self-belief, we can transform our lives. Embrace a mindset of possibility, where obstacles become mere stepping stones on the path to greatness. Trust in your abilities, for it is through this trust that you unlock the door to your limitless potential. Epictetus understood that it is often our own self-imposed limitations and negative beliefs that stand in the way of achieving greatness. By challenging these limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones, we set ourselves on a course towards success. In the face of fear, remind yourself of your past triumphs and accomplishments. Remember the times when you defied the odds and achieved what others deemed impossible. Use these experiences as a foundation for unwavering self-belief. Trust in your resilience, knowing that you have the strength to weather any storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Believe in the wonders that you are capable of creating. Let go of the fear of failure and embrace the journey of growth and self-discovery. Epictetus teaches us that it is in the pursuit of greatness that we find true fulfillment. With each step forward, you inch closer to realizing your full potential and leaving a lasting impact on the world. So, dear listener, embrace the power within you. Believe in your ability to do wonders. Let go of self-doubt and fear and step into a future where your potential knows no bounds. Trust in yourself, for you are capable of achieving extraordinary things. Your journey to greatness begins with a single step of faith. 4. Don't fear other people's judgment. You possess a brilliance that is entirely your own, a light that shines from deep within your soul. Epictetus encourages us to recognize this profound truth and to let it guide our actions. When we let go of the fear of judgment, we liberate ourselves to express our true selves and embrace our individuality. It is essential to remember that people's opinions are often shaped by their own fears, insecurities, and limited perspectives. Their judgments stem from their own unique experiences and perceptions of the world. They are not objective assessments of your worth or potential. Epictetus urges us to free ourselves from the burden of seeking validation from others, for their judgments hold no true power over us. Imagine a world where every great mind, every revolutionary artist, every visionary leader allowed the fear of judgment to stifle their potential. The world would be devoid of masterpieces, groundbreaking inventions, and profound discoveries. Embracing your true self means embracing the limitless possibilities that reside within you. It means recognizing that your voice, your ideas, and your passions have the power to shape the world in remarkable ways. Live boldly and unapologetically. Pursue your dreams with unwavering determination, knowing that your unique perspective and contributions are invaluable. The path to greatness often lies in challenging societal norms, pushing boundaries, and daring to be different. Epictetus reminds us that the true measure of success lies not in the acceptance of others, but in the fulfillment we find in expressing our authentic self. So release the chains that bind you to the expectations of others. Let the fear of judgment dissipate like smoke in the wind. Embrace the freedom that comes with living in alignment with your true values and passion. In doing so, you inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of courage, authenticity, and self-discovery. Remember, the opinions of others do not define you. Your worth and potential are inherent and immeasurable. Trust in yourself, celebrate your uniqueness, and let your light shine brightly in a world hungry for genuine expression. The fear of judgment will no longer hold you back, for you are destined for greatness that transcends the narrow confines of others' perception. So, stand tall, embrace your individuality, and let your authentic self radiate with unwavering confidence. The world awaits the brilliance that only you can bring. Let go of the fear of judgment and embrace the boundless possibilities that lie before you. 5. Get rid of the fear of death. Let the realization of death serve as a reminder that life is precious and fleeting. Each breath we take, each heartbeat that resonates within us, is a gift to be cherished. Epictetus implores us to seize the present moment, for it is all we truly have. When we live with the constant awareness of our mortality, a transformation occurs within us. The trivial worries and fears that once held us captive lose their power. We become acutely aware of what truly matters in life, the relationships we cultivate, the experiences we embrace, and the impact we have on the world around us. By embracing the truth of our finite existence, we are propelled to make the most of our time on Earth. We no longer procrastinate or put off pursuing our dreams. Instead, we are filled with a burning desire to leave a lasting legacy, to make a difference, and to live authentically. Imagine a life lived without the fear of death, a life where you take risks, pursue your passions, and strive for greatness. Every step you take, every decision you make, is infused with a sense of purpose and a deep understanding that your time here is limited. Epictetus encourages us to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. The gentle touch of a loved one, the vibrant colors of a sunset, the laughter that echoes through a room, these become moments of profound significance when we let go of the fear of death. So, dear listener, I urge you to release the shackles of the fear of death. Embrace each day as a precious gift, and let the awareness of your mortality fuel your determination to live a life of meaning and fulfillment. Remember, death is not an end, but a transition, a doorway to the unknown. By accepting this inevitability, we can face our fears head-on, knowing that we have lived with courage, authenticity, and unwavering bravery. In the words of Epictetus, do not fear death. Fear the unlived life. You don't have to live forever. You just have to live. So, my friend, go forth and live with passion, purpose, and unyielding bravery. Embrace the fullness of life, for in the face of death, you will discover a limitless wellspring of courage and joy. As we conclude this journey into Epictetus's wisdom, remember that the power to overcome fear lies within you. Make sense of your fears. Embrace life's trials. Believe in your abilities, disregard the fear of judgment, and release the fear of death. Let Epictetus's teachings be your guide as you embark on a life filled with courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. Embrace fear as a teacher, for it is through confronting our fears that we find our truest self. Dare to step into the unknown, for on the other side of fear lies a life beyond imagination. It's time to break free and become the master of your own destiny. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of Stoicism and the wisdom of Epictetus. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, may you find the courage to conquer your fears and live a life of boundless possibility.